Hey everybody, how to convert your Python program into an executable file to open it as a program on your Windows operating system. For this, go to the terminal and we need to install Pyinstaller. Install Pyinstaller, enter. Pyinstaller was successfully installed, and now we can convert our Python program into executable file. For this, write Pyinstaller, then write our main file. In my program it's main.py. I write main.py, and then we want to have one file. Write one file and tap enter. After that we have two new packages. The first package, it's a build of our program, and the second package is a distributive of our program. And if you run this code in terminal from Windows operating system, you haven't this system error, and in distributive package you will have executable file with our Python program. You can transfer, for example, it to desktop and run your program from desktop. See other videos on the channel. Good luck and goodbye.